Okay, next. The American Association, or AASHTO, design structural number for a road is 4. The material specification are as follows. For the material sandy gravel subbase with a thickness of 10, the experience coefficient is 0.11. For crushed stone base course with thickness of 6, the experience coefficient is 0.14. If a high stability plant mix asphalt concrete surface course with an experience coefficient of 0.44 is to be placed on top of the specified subbase and base course material, the required surface thickness is most nearly what? Okay? Ganito lang yan. May binigay naman na structural number. So yung structural number daw na yon, isang equal lang yan sa kapag inad natin lahat ng product ng experience coefficient, tawagin natin na alpha. Tapos lahat ng thickness, tawagin natin na T. So alpha times T. That's how you define structural number. So ibig sabihin, ang structural number for this case is yung alpha nung subbase, itong 1, so tawagin ko ito na alpha 1. Tapos yung thickness nung first layer, ito, plus yung sa crush stone, ganun din, alpha 2 times thickness 2 plus itong asphalt surface force. So alpha 3 times T3. So since yung structural number is 4, tapos yung unang layer, ang experience coefficient mo 0.11, tapos ang thickness niya ay 10, o di lagay mo lang. Plus yung pangalawang layer naman, 0.14 times 6. Tapos yung huling layer, ang experience coefficient ay 0.44. Tapos ang hinahanap mo, anong thickness niya na kailangan? So from there, you should be able to calculate the thickness of the asphalt concrete. So i-add mo lang talaga yung product nun, tsaka thickness. And that gives us 4.68 inches. Okay, and that we can round that up to 5 inches. So the answer is letter C.